Rastafari live it. Jah never die. Take I out of Babylon, Jah.
I saw Selassie stretch forth his hand to take I cross Jordan River. I saw Selassie stretch forth his hand to take I cross Jordan River. I saw Selassie stretch forth his hand to take I cross Jordan River. On my merry way to Zion. The man that knoweth his master's will and
Rastafari,
he shall be burned with fire. The man that knoweth his master's will and doeth it not, he shall be burned with fire. The man that knoweth his master's will and doeth it not, he shall be burned with fire. I was on my merry way to Zion. Zion, oh Rastafari. Zion, oh Jah. Zion, oh Rastafari. Zion, oh Jah. I'm say Zion, oh Rastafari. Zion, oh Jah. Zion, oh Rastafari. Zion, oh Jah.
Jah Rastafari.
I saw Selassie stretch forth his hand to take I cross Jordan River. I saw Selassie stretch forth his hand to take I cross Jordan River. I saw Selassie stretch forth his hand to take I cross Jordan River. I was on my merry way to Zion. The man that knoweth his master's will and doeth it not, he shall be burned with fire. Fire! The man that knoweth his master's will and doeth it not, he shall be burned with fire. Fire! The man that knoweth his master's will and doeth it not, he shall be burned with fire. I was on my merry way to Zion. Zion, oh Rastafari. Zion, oh Jah. I'm say Zion, oh Rastafari. Zion, oh Jah. Zion, oh Rastafari. Yeah. No. Rasta children never born to suffer. No. Them no come here to feel no pain. No. I have picnic them no born to suffer. No. Them no come here to wear no chain. By the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread. Young man, be careful what you put in your head. If you'd listen to what the prophet said, you woulda know that this time would be dreader than dread. What is sweet to the mouth could be bitter to the belly. Sometimes the grass look to be greener on the other side. If the devil want your soul, why would you sell it? Or would you burn him in the name of Jah Rastafari? Oh, no, 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 no. Rasta children never born to suffer. No, 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 no. Them not come here to feel no pain. No. Oh, 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 oh. I have picked me have to wear no chain.
Tribal war in a Babylon. Is people out there? Who are you say? Is people out there? Oh yeah. War in a Babylon. Tribal war in a Babylon. Is people out there? Who are you say? Is people out there? Oh yeah. The Baba men no like the dreadlocks man. The dreadlocks man no like the Baba man no. The police man no like the dreadlocks man. The dreadlocks man no like the police man no. So war in a Babylon, tribal war in a Babylon. Is it out there? Who are you say? Is it out there? Oh yeah. War in a Babylon, tribal war in a Babylon. Is it out there? Who are you say? Is it out there? Oh yeah. When come pride, then come a shame. A man pride shall bring him low, yeah. Oh yeah. And I shall uphold the humble in spirit. And you know it's true, yeah. Oh yeah. War in a Babylon, tribal war in a Babylon. Who are you? Is people out there? So what we do? We slide out there. Oh yeah. War in a Babylon, tribal war in a Babylon. Who are you? Is people out there? So what we do? We slide out there. Oh yeah. Is people out there? Who are we do? We slide out there. Oh yeah. Is people out there?
Yes, man. Oh yeah. Roots man, we are true born African. Just say, roots man, we are chant down Babylon. Oh, roots man, we are true born Rastaman. I say, roots man, we are go chant down the Vatican. Oh, living in the city ain't right. That's why they try to mistreat us day and night. Ooh, living in the city ain't right. Oh, that's why they try to steal I and I birthright. I say, roots man, we are true born African. Oh, roots man, we are go chant down Babylon. Just say, roots man, we are true born Rastaman. Oh, roots man, we are go chant down the Vatican. I say, living in the city with too much corruption. That's why I and I have to track to the hills. Whoa, living in the city, it's a bad nation. Yeah, yeah. That's why I and I still no peace. Just say, roots man, we are true born African. Hey, roots man, we are chant Rastaman. Just say, roots man, we a go chant down Babylon. Oh, eh, oh, roots man, we a true man Rastaman. Just say, roots man, we a go chant down the Vatican. Hey, hey, living in the city ain't right. That's why they try to mistreat us day and night. Whoa, living in the city ain't right. Whoa. That's why they try to steal I and I birthright.
I hear the Babylon say, dread it, here goes a Rasta man. He's gonna make some trouble. But they call me Naya Binky J. I know how wear my locks upon my head. Well, every time you see the Rasta man, a peace and love is depending on. They call me Naya Binky J. Yes, I wear my locks upon my head. But every time they see the fireman, some trouble they blame him for if they can. Don't they know him as the article one? Yes, he's such a humble lion, and he's waiting patiently for when Africa will be free. And the fire getting hotter, every day it's like a melting pot. Freedom got to come my way. It's getting darker, but the sun will shine someday. And I have DJ, where his locks up on his head. Every time you see the Rasta man, a peace and love is depending on. But there's no use to standing by, and there's so much that you can do, yeah. With you let your children cry when you should be helping them through, yeah. Every time we pass your way, fireman, Babylon they try to say, dreadlock, the Rasta man making some trouble, man. We have to build a better nation. The politician and the gunman, boy, they won't help their brother man, boy, in this judge a beautiful creation. Cause they know him as the article one. He's just a humble lion, waiting patiently, yeah, for when Africa is calling. Yes, and I have been betrayed. Always wear his locks upon his head. So every time you see the Rasta man, oh, peace and love is depending on. They call me Naya Binky J. I wear my locks upon my head, giving thanks and praise each and every day, yeah. The things that I say, how we pray. They call us Naya Binky J, cause we wear the locks upon our head. Every time you see the Rasta man, don't blame no trouble on him. Call him Naya Binky J, the fireman is dread.
Long enough.
Salam alaikum Allah. Tribute to Malcolm X, yeah. Malaikum salam. Salam alaikum Allah. It's a tribute to Malcolm X. Because of Malcolm X, white men got fed. They didn't want to see black men progress. All along the way, brothers have strayed, searching to find the way. How long will it be till my black brothers see
There's a hidden brutality. Malcolm X main prospect, it was the sea. All men live in unity, but now he is down in the ground. His killers still haven't been found. How long will it be till my black brothers see there's a hidden brutality? Malaikum salam, salam alaikum alam. In a tribute to brother Malcolm X, yeah. Malaikum salam, salam alaikum alam. It's a tribute to brother Malcolm X. Malcolm X main prospect, it was the sea. All men live in unity. Now he is down in the ground, and his killers still haven't been found. How long will it be till my black brothers see there's a hidden brutality? And how long will it be? Brutality. And how long will it be? There's a hidden brutality. Malaikum salam. Salam alaikum.
We want to kill each other up. People talking about the guns and people talking about the sex. Make we take her off the S and make we left her on the X. Make we left her on the X of it, the great Malcolm X. Watch the film, go read the books and wear the X up on your chest. The man Malcolm, man Malcolm X. Big up, man Malcolm X.
Cha-cha, beg you come quick. Oh, cha-cha. If life is for living, then why man I kill so? If life is for living, then why man I die so? Inna the east, inna the west, inna the north, inna the south, just pure war, day and night. No stop to this terrible crime. Fighting uptown, fighting downtown. Where is the referee? He's nowhere around. He can't be found. Too much bullets are flying. Even spectators, they can't be found. If life is for living, then why man I kill so? If life is for living, then why man I die so? Tell me why, oh tell me why man I kill so? Why man I die so? The ring is big, the ring is wide. In the ring, two armies are fight. Can you imagine? None can win. Oh, what a sin. The leaders who make it are full with the devil within. In the bottomless pit, hey, they are the victim. If life is for living, then why man I kill so? If life is for living, then why man I die so? Give me that. If life is for living, then why man I kill so? Well, if life is for living, then why man I die so? Why man I kill so? what a mess pit. Hey, they are the victims. Why man a kill so? Why man a die so? Oh, Jaja, come quick. Come change everything. Man should a die so. Man should a kill so. Oh, yeah, man.
To
baby, baba, boo. Look at the trees, how their leaves are growing away in the sky. Listen to the birds, how they're singing away their time. Look at the sun, how it shines bright in the sky. Well, all these things were created by the Father. Look at the grass, how it make your lawns look green. Look at the flowers, how it make your garden look pretty. Even when you're feeling weary, tired and low, well, all you gotta do is relax and make the moving go. Skabadabade, babe, ba, babe, ba. Skabadabade, babe, ba, ba, boo. Look at the trees, how their leaves are growing away in the sky. Listen to the birds, how they're singing away their time. Look at the sun, how it shines bright in the sky. Well, all these things were created by the Father. Look at the grass, how it make your lawns look green. Look at the flowers, how it make your garden look pretty too. Even when you're feeling weary, tired and low, all you got say you got to have guts to be a naughty dreadlocks. Naughty dreadlocks. You got to have guts to be a naughty dreadlocks. Naughty dreadlocks. You got to be strong or else they will trample you to the ground. They don't know to see naughty dread survive. But in this battle, naughty are the survivors. You got to have guts to be a naughty dreadlocks. Naughty dreadlocks. You got to stand up and fight for what you want. Persecution, what we will get to bear. They will even give you basket. Oh yes, to carry water when they don't like you. You got to have guts to be a naughty dreadlocks. Naughty dreadlocks. You got to be strong to be a naughty dreadlocks. Naughty dreadlocks. Lift the Maya, holy, 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 yeah.
Holy Mount Zion, Buju, let's sing.
Pastor's creed that leaded me the quiet water.
I fear no ill. Thy rod and staff, they are with me, they surely comfort still.
My table, has furnished in the presence of my foes. My head, half anointed with oil, my cup it overflow.
Goodness and mercy all my life shall surely follow me. And in just house forevermore, my dwelling place must be.
Goodness and mercy all my life shall surely follow me. And in your house forevermore, my dwelling place shall be.
Goodness and mercy all my life shall surely follow me, and in your house forevermore, my dwelling place must be.
My soul don't have to restore again, and need to walk those ways within the path of righteousness, even for His name's sake.
Yet do I walk through the dark gate, yet will I fear no ill. Thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff, they surely comfort me.
My table, half furnished in the presence of my foes. My head, half anointed with oil, my cup it
killing innocent people and causing fear. Brother man, what is your plan? This one is dedicated to all those gunmen out there who are killing innocent people and causing fear. Brother man, what is your plan? Do you intend to go on living so wrong? Stop and check before it's too late. You better make your crooked straight or you will regret. Every day you're fussing and fighting, robbing, looting and shooting. Turn your life around or you will go down. Turn your life around. Yes. forgive your wickedness and ask Him to wipe away your guiltiness. You can't get away, can't get away. You will have to pay. Mr. Man, rinsing your steel, taking another life, how do you feel? One day I know your time will come. Better hear this word of advice and throw down your gun. Every day you're fussing and fighting, innocent blood you've been shedding. Turn your life around, or you will go down. Turn your life around. You can't get away, can't get away. You will have to pay. You better ask God to forgive your wickedness and ask Him to wipe away your guiltiness, blood guiltiness. You better ask God to forgive your wickedness and ask Him to wipe away your guiltiness, blood guiltiness. Oh, yeah. Go down on your knees and pray. Brother man, what is your plan? Do you intend to go on living so wrong? Stop and check before it's too late. You better make your crooked straight or you will regret. You better ask God to forgive your wickedness and ask Him.
Oh Lord. Oh well, yeah. Oh, oh. Baby, I can see King Moses and Solomon chanting down that wall of Babylon. Yeah, I can see King Moses and the wise men. Yeah, chanting down that wall of Babylon. Let no man deceive you. Let no man rearrange you. Yes, they put us in slavery, and what they gave us was brutality. Ole, ole, oh. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Ole, ole, oh. Whoa, yeah. Put us in this world of wickedness. Cover our face with darkness. All I see is war. I and I say we got to stay far. In this Armageddon, there will be no mercy. There will be weeping and wailing. Ole, ole, oh. Whoa, yeah. Ole, ole, oh. Whoa, yeah. We're here to love and care for each other and not to fight over brothers. No. So let's get together and live as one and destroy Satan's plan. Ole, ole, oh. Whoa, yeah. Ole, ole, oh. Whoa, yeah. I can see King Moses and Solomon chanting down that wall of Babylon. Yeah, I can see King Moses and the wise men chanting down that wall of Babylon. Let no man deceive you. Let no man rearrange you. Yes, they put us in slavery, and what they gave us was brutality. Ole, ole, oh. Whoa, yeah. Ole,
thanks and praise unto Jah, you know. I got the Rastafari. Jah, Rastafari. Forward to Zion. We say backward to Babylon. Give thanks and praise unto Jah, you know. I got the Rastafari. Jah, Rastafari. Say that not teach us to Africa. Lord, not teach us Angola. Lord, not teach Ghana. Wow! Say that not teach Ghana, Ethiopia. Say that not teach Ghana, Nigeria. Lord, not teach crossing the border. Yeah, you know. I may say way down the place called Zimbabwe. Not to jump to the Congo, not to jump to the Joma, not to travel through Africa. You know. I say for reason with Jaja. Make down, go lay down, see what I say. Natty, Rastafari. Cha, Rastafari. Natty trad through Africa. Natty gone to Nigeria. So me say, Natty gone in Africa. So me say, go put the reason with the father. And so me say, come me say, repatriation is a must. Repatriation is a must. That no me and that a must. I say the wicked mind they does and not teach to Africa. Put the reason with the father. You know, I say, if you burn up the chalwa, give thanks and praise unto Jah. Can't take no more with a Babylon. Natty forward to Africa. Natty forward to Africa. She's a natty forward to Africa. You know, I may say one step forward in Africa. Me say two step backward. That's a Babylon. Natty forward to Africa for reason we judge. Natty forward to Africa for read to scripture. Me say forward to Africa for burn the chalwa. Natty lick up the coachy, natty burn up the gritty. Chant to the Father, make we step it out of Babylon into the place we call Africa. See the natty cross in the border. See the natty cross in the border. You know. We the place called Zimbabwe, place called Nigeria. Me say we down in Ghana, Shadi me say Africa. Yeah, we down in Ethiopia. Yeah, we go reason with the father. No we can't stop this movement. We down in Africa land to the promised land. Is a must. Say step it on the Black Star Line. Natty step it on the Black Star Line. Step it on the Black Star Line. 4,000 killers Ethiopians shall go down in Babylon. Yeah, you know. I say sight of the light and know yourself. Got to know yourself.
You shall look on me and call me no kaya. Cause I'm African and I'm proud of that. I'm a rebel. Watch out. Well, I'm a rebel. They up on the street corner. I'm a rebel. Well, I don't want a white guy look on me and call me nigga. And I don't want no Asian look on me and call me no kaya. Cause I'm African and I'm proud of that. I'm a rebel. Watch out. Well, I'm a rebel. They up on the street corner. I'm a rebel and me they are with the mad professor. I'm a rebel. They up on the street corner. I'm a rebel and me they are with the mad professor. Well, as a little youth, as a little youngster, me grew up in the ghetto with me two sisters. Me mother, me father, them did under pressure. How one little room, the whole we sleep in. We struggle every day just to make things better. Just to make things better. Me say for the future. Enough time me hear me mother ask me father. I don't know why we left Jamaica just to come a England and work in a freezer fi make white man cuss we and call we nigga. But it's milk and honey them did a look for, and that's the only reason why them come here. Show the white man think say them superior and them look on we as the inferior. Well they after they them try keep we under, but we know we got to fight cause it's in our nature. And I'm a rebel, they up on the street corner. I'm a rebel and me they are with the mad professor. I'm a rebel, they up on the street corner. I'm a rebel and me they are with the mad professor. But see ya, how with them great people, them take FIFA. Them musty things say slavery still there. But a long time it done, a long time it over. And them the kind of bush we not check for. Just like Malcolm X and Martin Luther. Well tip and joke and me not jest. At the national front, me no afraid. The Ku Klux Klan, no, me no afraid. You see the ugly Nancy them, we no afraid. You see the BNP, we no afraid. Cause if them want this, we will pull the trigger. We will pull the trigger in a them jacana. Cause I'm a Mr. Irie, I am a warrior. Me is a warrior with the mad professor. Cause the mad professor, they in the area. Come here the Mr. Irie, Mr. Act like a rebel. Yes, I'm on the street corner. I'm a rebel and me they are with the mad professor. I'm a rebel, they up on the street corner. I'm a rebel and me they are with the man professor. Through the color of my skin, me find it harder for I man to survive in my area. I don't have no chip on my shoulder, cause me know one day me have to prosper and reach to the top as an entertainer. But enough obstacle them put in front of the bar. Sometimes them don't want play you on the radio.
Catch a fire, don't forget the fire now. Fire, enough guilty ones there now. Fire, who give the criminal guns, dismantle the root of wickedness now. Fire, don't forget the fire now. Fire, enough guilty ones there now. Fire, set up the furnace, dismantle the root of all wickedness. Missy say no fucking go run because a legitimate fire we are on. A long list of name they up and make it a drum. You can't escape no matter from where you come. So artists, no buy the youths them no gun. Rasta no sell coke or opium. And I tell you, stop the bloodshedding. The people are begging in this your judgment it a go. So me tell you catch a fire. Don't forget the fire now. Fire, enough guilty ones there now. Fire, who give the criminal guns, dismantle the root of wickedness now. Fire, pan a life vampire now. Fire, and all the bloody vampire yeah. Fire, the government well lazy, treat the people like them crazy.
Some men keep hailing to fulfill the black people words. King Selassie I'm hailing, and of them got trouble poor people first. Anytime now, Babylon them a go get a raid. Raid Babylon a get free. Anytime now, the prisoners them a go escape. Some a bless, a go bless. Anytime now, police them a go get a raid. Raid government a get free. Anytime now, Babylon you must get a raid. No got him enough of them run go shame. Oh yeah, I'd rather to be with the people I lead. Give them a daily strength and showing them a daily need. And I'd rather to see more love than grief. That's the only way they get to use to go achieve. And I'd rather to be with the people indeed. Babylon system only come here so fi deceive. I'd rather to listen and not a word receive. Them a go cut the woman breast and bust the man them seed. Breast a perish, long time me see it. Black people back up and yard in the east. Tell the Indians if they go look for them chief. Tell the white man wanna Europe go hide and seek. Hey Rasta man no got no secret to keep. There will be a weeping and a wailing and a gnashing of teeth. Yeah, from your tan salon don't go a weep. Come out in the the clear behind wall, them a peep. Nothing for the white man, black man not wait. Black woman stop sweep the white woman street. The ghetto you go study Babylon technique. As what me say, what he can get defeat. Anytime now, Babylon them a go get a red. Red Babylon a get red. Anytime now, you red the fire they go bless. Stop treat people like slave. Anytime now, the prisoners them a go escape. Too long them there in their bed. Anytime now, Babylon them a go get a red. Man a figure repatriate. They make them satellite and them launch it a space. Mash up the ozone layer. Babylon a fake. Sun a burn redder and a strip them face. Could they them look like all? Bulla with the back. Watch you make the Rasta man deal with them case. Ask them this question before it's too late. Babylon a why you dump your toxic waste. You know sister that you make a big mistake. Now tell me who end up like bait. Them old young black people fi send white people through the gate. Oh, Rasta man agitate. Revolution cause we must repatriate. Anytime now, Babylon them a go get a red. Free the government a get red. Anytime now, Babylon them a go get a red. Them slave already and still wine slave. Anytime now, Babylon them a go get a red. And mystery Babylon you know say. Anytime now, Babylon them a go get a red. Because the prisoners them a go escape. The whole of them are this the ancient of days. Got na the Arctic Ocean. Gone fire them lace to make the iceberg. Fi return the ice age. The west a go sink when the water table raise. Babylon you stink and you want bed. You know about that thing the youth a tell you this brave. I black mother, now be your maid. What me black father and them never get paid. Oh Babylon so much how we you come and slave. I build the building, the road and we pave. See them now, see them now, see them now. From your this you want a judgment you made. Anytime now, Babylon them a go get a red. Red Babylon a get red. Anytime now, the prisoners them a go escape. Some a bless, a go bless. Anytime now, police them a go get a red.
When me check my brother them, me really have to gather them. The system coming after them, it look like it no matter them. We calling out to all of them to walk and make way honor them. You have to find yourself again. Well, when me check my brother them, no look after them, pick me them leave them from them mother them, and that's another fault again. Me know say it's not all of them, so make we call out to them. Can't afford to fall again. Me ball out brothers, don't you be marginalized. Brothers, don't you be victimized. Brothers, don't you become ostracized. Because of full time now we all realize it. Brothers, our mind is on decline. Can't afford to make them really leave us behind. Guard yourself against being maligned. Our purpose in life now we have to find. When me check my brother them, me really have to gather them. The system coming after them, it look like it no matter them. Calling out to all of them for walk and make way honor them. We have to find ourselves again. Yo, when me check my brother them, no look after them, pick me them leave them from them mother them, and that's another fault again. Me know say it's not all of them, so make we call out to them. Can't afford to fall again. Well no, statistics register. Seldom you find a sister go kill a sister. Man turn slave to Satan the trickster. Kill off him brother and you don't hear a whisper. Well Mr. Virgin you fi control your corner. From you a lead, it must be one other. Can't sell coke to his son and with daughter. Turn round take it then you know see say a disaster. Well, when me check me brother them, me really have to gather them. The system coming after them, it look like it no matter them. Calling out to all of them to walk and make we honor them. Have to go and find myself again. Well, when me check me brother them, no look after them, pick me them leave them from them mother them, and that's another fault again. Me know say I know all of them, so make we call out to them. Can't afford to fall again. Well, me take a look in at the university. I must be female species, I'm fancy, but when they check world I will living in. What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? Jah know it is a sin. What kind of world are we living in? From 1976, so me say up to 81. Politics is wobbly, mash up the land. Where them get a me say so much fun. Not to remember M16 Thompson and the mother one. But who come in so Remington, the smaller one. When Rima fire shot and jungle is a lick it back. Give all the fire shot and then on town will lick it back. I'm teaching fire shot and go and lick it back. Tap on fire shot and me say can't fire back. It go bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. They will show civilian and Christian with the bazooka and the Remington. Then no matter if you are politician, anywhere you go you shot, jungle is a lick it back. People a fire shot, them a town a lick it back. Hermitage a fire shot and August town a lick it back. That one fire shot again, time you lick it back, it go boom, bye, 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 boom, bye, bye, brr, bye, bye, boom, bye, 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 boom, bye, bye, bye. Man, what kind of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? Now we say, gunman, you tell me where you get the gun from. Repeat it again, gunman, you tell me where you get the gun from. You know star, because them killing out the woman, them killing out the man. I know them start on the younger generation with the pump action and the Remington. Them know if you are civilian, even if you are pastor or a Christian, them going shot you, you're a dead man, gunman. You tell me where you get the gun from. You tell me where you get the gun from. Oh God, what type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? It is a sin. What type of world are we living in? What type of world are we living in? Give it on start. From 1976, I say up to 81. Politics and warfare, it mash up the land. Where them a get a miss so much gun from. Not to remember M16 and the Remington, bazooka, Thompson, and the other one. When Rima fire shot and jungle is a lick it back. People a fire shot and then Anton a fire back. And teacher fire shot and Angola lick it back. That one fire shot and Kenya lick it back. It go goodbye, 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 bye, 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 goodbye, 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 bye, 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 bye. What a thing, Lord of mercy. What a thing, Lord of mercy. What type of world are we living in? What type of world?
Inspiration. Black people face the most tribulations. You hear? Jah know I really can't understand it. I own the Babylon system of flow. I said it want to make Rastaman panic, but it's one thing I and I know. Sometimes the pressure make we feel like Allah, and then we look within no way out. Breaking me back to make overnight dollar. A Babylon don't want it reach to we mouth. Still we are keeping up for resistance. You can't get the Rastaman out. Reggae is keeping up for resistance. They can't get the Rastaman out. I miss a blow, wind blow, I blow, storm blow. I have to go home later tonight. I have to spend some time with my family. Tonight I wanna sleep with my wife. Although the poor people don't have no shelter and they're dying for hungry, they better put their trust into Jehovah, and Jah will surely work one way out. But they have to have some strong resistance, and I'm gonna work it out. You better have strong resistance, and Jah will help you out. Because Jah little lightning, Jah roll thunder, Jah put water in the river, and Jah make you mommy, Jah make you daddy. Come in, so everything will be irie. So me say blow man blow, blow man blow, blow me so home so man blow. Wow, blow man blow, blow 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 man blow, blow me so home so man shoot. Sometimes the pressure make a high man holler, and I can preach there is no way out. Breaking my back to make an overnight dollar. And Babylon no want the food reach me mouth. You know I'm keeping up for resistance.
Tell me why can't I be your friend for life? Ooh, yeah. You know that I'll always want to be by your side. Ooh, yes. Say you give me joy and happiness, and I feel good all over. Love and happiness, let us be like squibs and clover. And all I ever wanted to do is be with you. Ooh, yes. With all the riches and luxuries, none will do. Ooh, yes.
you, it is no disrespect. What's come over you? Why can't I be your friend for life? Ooh, yes. Hey, tell me how can I go on and not be in love with you? Ooh, yes. Look here. See, now God gave the word and then the word took on to itself flesh. He made the birds, he created the wind and he made the firmament, yeah. He created the fishes in the seas, the birds and the honeybee. And he created you especially for me. Tell me why can't I be your friend for life? Ooh, yes.
Scornful doggy, dirty pudding. Hey. Yaga yaga yo, dance me the vanilla wanna. Yaga yaga yo. Hey, father, step them up.
Everybody just come down, come down, come down, come down. All the bombs and pride. Come down, come down, come down, come down. All the bombs and pride. Yeah, they talk about crying out, come down, come down. All the bombs and pride. Is it time Jacqueline, come down. All the bombs and pride. For today is a happy day.
Come on, join me.
And tonight will be a happy night.
Black, Indian, white and Chinese. That's why me tell you, say what? Come down on the flat. You Mr. Man, the inna the top inna your amok and around me want you. Come down on the flat. Hey, to me get to give a little help back. You Mr. King, Mr. Wang, politician with your can. Full time you pay attention to the little poor man. Help me get to make this stronger. There your mate come from a down there you build your business foundation. Now you make your million and live in your mansion. See I get a man and say I am your Nash pan.
And tonight will be a club of night.
So just try me and say
and everybody just crying, dying to see the light. And when they see it, they say it's not bright. Can this be right? You have it down, no.
Balu, Ibambala balu.
Come down.
Yaga. Hey then, Chuck, you Mr. Man there with your champagne tapping. You give a chance to the man that can't shopping. You Mr. Man with your 50 girl grabbing. Give a chance to a man with a one room
Everybody
cabin.
else come down. All the bombs and pride. Every time Jacqueline come down. All the bombs and pride. They don't talk about crying, dying to see the light. And when they see it, they say it's not bright. Can this be right?
Hey yo, hey Mr. Man, put down you come amongst people. Not you, you have your money and your crisp pretty people. Hey Mr. Man, put down you come amongst your brethren. Not you, your house pretty like up a heaven. Hey Mr. Man, not you, your bank book fan off it. Deal with the ghetto man and street like that. Hey Mr. Man, not you, you have everything. You want come this little sister.
Come down. All the bombs and pride. Every time Jacqueline come down. All the bombs and pride. Come down.
Yaga.
All the bombs and pride. Come down.
Who are you doing?
All the bombs and pride. Every time
In a jam one, yeah.
Here comes the thing called peas in the can, yeah. Do you know where I'm from, yeah? Babylon. Go burn down me herbs and I tell me say fi plant cassava, yeah. Them get pa me nerves, now me see the whole of them a run like a safa, boy. Them go cut down me herbs and I tell me say fi plant cassava, yes. Now them fly like a bird and me see the whole of them a run like a safa, boy. The way them set it is fit things get harder. Check say we a fool, that's why them jada cardia. Say the road narrow and we find it broader. Be a thing me say I go on in a the saga. Me have to park me the potty and job back for me ladder. Higher class people turn it in a laughter, while the bigger heads kick back and a roll out them Prada. And poor people not even can find water. Them go burn down me herbs and I tell me say fi plant cassava, yes. Them get pa me nerves, now me see the whole of them a run like a safa, boy. Them go cut down me herbs and I tell me say fi plant cassava, boy. Now them fly like a bird and me see the whole of them a run like a safa, yes. Hear me now? Me say one cocoa a full the basket. We have to reach there when we aim for the target. The journey it long but still we a walk it, cause we can't get no herbs down a market. Truths and rights, peace, they have to talk it. Crime and violence, nobody start it. Me say from a high grade, me say the people want it. So nobody cut it down from you no plant it. Them go burn down me herbs and I tell me say the plant cassava, yes. Them get pa me nerves, now me see the whole of them a run like a safa, boy. Them go cut down me herbs and I tell me say the plant cassava, yes. Now them fly like a bird and me see the whole of them a run like a safa, boy. Hear me now? Truths and rights and me tell you a facts, eh, yes. Say for marijuana them can't put up, eh. No answer we no get for the question what we ask. Must you think of TV where you watch Cinemax? Say fi plant cassava and burn out the wheat crop. Make we stay pan chuck and lick it from top. Them go burn down me herbs and I tell me say fi plant cassava, well. Tell them get on me nerves, now me see the whole of them a run like a safa, boy. Them go burn down me herbs and I tell me say fi plant cassava, boy. Now them fly like a bird and me see the whole of them a run like a safa, boy. Me say the way them set it is fi things get harder. Check say we fool, that's why them jada cardia. Say the road narrow and we find it broader. Be a thing me say I go on in a the saga. I fi park me the potty and job back for me ladder. Higher class people turn it in a laughter, while the bigger heads kick back and a roll out them Prada. And poor people not even can find water. Them go cut down me herbs and I tell me say fi plant cassava, yeah. Now they fly like a bird and me see the whole of them a run like a safa,